Canaveral, Florida. An unmanned Delta rocket carrying a $45 million military satellite is about to blast off.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We have ignition and liftoff from Cape Canaveral Air Station of the Air Force Delta II launch vehicle carrying the new GPS-2R satellite.
Then, just seconds into the mission, an explosion rocks the Cape.
We just had an anomaly of the Delta II launch vehicle from Cape Canaveral Air Station. We need to secure the area.
More than 250 tons of flaming debris and rocket fuel rain down from the sky. The explosion occurs so close to the ground that the area around the launch pad looks like a war zone. A piece of the rocket lands in a parking lot, creating an enormous crater. More than 24 cars are destroyed by the blast. The heat of the explosion is so intense it melts their windshields and tire rims. Amazingly, no one is injured. Investigators later determined that a 17-foot-long crack in one of the rocket's boosters was the cause of this devastating accident.